Hello, everyone. How many of you find going to the gym a challenge? Perhaps it's the distance, time, or not knowing the right routines. Well, we've developed a solution that brings the gym right to your living room. Welcome to Powerhouse, your personalized fitness coach at home. The main issues we've identified are lack of access to effective coaching, time constraints, and improper exercise routines. Powerhouse was born from seeing these challenges. Powerhouse offers personalized fitness coaching in the comfort of your home. Our app pairs you with expert trainers and gives you tailored workouts that fit into your schedule. Our app includes a fitness scanner for custom workout plans, personalized nutrition, and workout advice, and also direct access to fitness professionals, all from your smartphone.
What sets us apart is our fitness scanner technology, which tailors workout and dietary plans to match your unique physique, fitness objectives, and requirements, ensuring a highly personalized approach to fitness. Additionally, this technology facilitates the identification of fitness instructors adept at delivering seamless experiences. Our competitive edge comes from exclusive partnerships with top fitness professionals and brands, enhancing our service offering through expert content and quality fitness products. We target busy individuals who find it difficult to schedule gym visits and beginners who need guidance on proper exercise techniques.
We measure success by user growth engagement and partner commissions. We'll engage our audience through social media collaborations with influencers and community forums. Powerhouse is free to download and offers basic features at no cost. Revenue comes from personal coaching sessions and product purchases through affiliate links. We take 40% commission on fitness equipment and supplements and a 30% fee from coaching services, ensuring sustainable income. So as you can see with these calculations, I hope it will be emphasized clearly upon how will Powerhouse generate its revenues.
Our marketing strategy includes targeted ads, partnership with fitness influencers, and referral programs that offer rewards for our user recommendations. We are seeking investment to fund our initial development, professional collaborators, and marketing efforts to drive our growth. Our main costs include app development, maintenance, and marketing expenses. We also pay professional fees to software developers, nutritionists, and fitness coaches who contribute to our app. We provided sample calculations of these below. Our immediate goal is to establish a user base that enjoys flexible, personalized fitness solutions. Over the next few years, we'll focus on building a supportive community around our brand.
So to summarize, our fitness app addresses common gym goer challenges by providing in-home fitness coaching, personalized nutrition, and workout plans, all guided by an advanced body scanner. The app uniquely integrates a fitness scanner to customize workouts for each user's body type and goals, and includes partnerships with certified coaches and supplement companies. While the app is free, revenue is generated through percentages from professional fees of coaches and in-app purchases of fitness equipment and supplements. We are focused to market it to individuals seeking convenient, tailored fitness guidance. So next slide. So Powerhouse is here to redefine personal fitness by making it accessible, convenient, and tailored to each user's needs. We invite you to join us in transforming fitness into a daily, enjoyable part of life. Thank you for considering Powerhouse.